Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to braid the number 7. This can be used for any occasion or any situation that 7 means something to you, like a birthday, the 7th day of anything, if you're going to have 7 kids for your shower, whatever you need to do with number 7. So in the first instance I am going to show you how to section off number 7. So we are going to start with making the column and then the rows on top of 7. So I section off how far I need it to be and then clip away the excess hair. This is very important because it gets complicated at some point. So you are going to assume you are like painting the number 7, and then that section where you are about to paint or where you are supposed to paint, that is where your braid is going to go. So I have like a pipe of 7 with the section of hair in the middle. Let's repeat this again and I'll show you how to braid this. So I'm doing it at the edge of the hair so that you can see for sure. I have cut off the bar at the top of number 7 using the edge of her head. That is going to be the outer part of the column. So now we are going to also cut off or section off the inner part of the number. Remember, these 2 lines showing now is the outer part. So I just cut off or section off the inner part of the number 7 and then the column part of number 7. I am going to proceed to clip away the excess hair to make sure that it doesn't get into my braid. And so I am going to start braiding from the top part. So make your tight cornrow. If your sections are neat, you're not going to have a problem. I have a video of how to cornrow in which I also showed some mistakes new braiders make. For people that complain that when they braid their hair, the section they are not working on comes into the section they are braiding, it is going to be very helpful in this instance that you don't get the hair outside the section into your braiding section. So let's now make a more serious number 7, and this is where we have the bar running across the middle part of 7. This is a different font of number 7, a just more serious one. You can also make, I made the arm cross just a little bit without going beyond the column. You can change that and make it cross as far as you want. Also, you can also bend the beginning tip of number 7 to come down slightly. I didn't think about that until I was editing this video, but that will be very easy to make. Now I am making the little tiny section that crosses the middle of number 7. So I just part like a bar about 1.5 inch into 7, and just watch what I am doing. It is easier to understand from watching than what I am explaining. So we are about to start braiding. These are the different sections. I have clipped away the hair I am not using while making sure my lines are neat. So I braided off the middle part and left it along the column so that when I braid down I can just add it into the braid. So now I am going off to the top section. So I will braid to the left, to the right, and then braid downwards. So as you can see, I just added that little bar there. If you were to braid it right across 7, I would add this one from the left and also braid in from the right. Then when you get to the middle, you just add both of them into the braid and braid downwards. That will be very simple, I promise you, just the same process. And now I am proceeding to use use any hair accessory you want to further make your number more obvious. You can use like a hair, those colored hair dye, not paint, those hair colors, the colored gel or hair wax, to just paint on the number to make it more obvious. You can use any type of hair accessories. Don't copy my format of putting this accessory because I was just doing it anyhow. Obviously you can make it more arranged and nicer, but it made the 7 very, very, very obvious, and that was what I wanted. So we have 3 different 7s. You can choose any one you want. If you have a birthday coming up, if you have a special day that 7 has a meaning to, instead of getting a 7 tattoo, you can have 7 braided on your hair so that it will be easy to take off and it will still mean something. I think maybe I should make one of 25 for Christmas. If I see a free head, I will. A free hair of head, I will. And also, yeah, as I said, if you're having like a baby shower and you're expecting 7 kids, you can just braid your hair for your reveal party, and then when you open your hair it will show 7 and people can get very excited. If you do not know, this girl, you pour my tea. If you do not know how to add accessories, just watch closely, slow it down and watch closely. You will get the whole gist. I am tired of talking because I feel like this tutorial is just easy to understand. So see you. Yeah, something else, I have a video of how to braid for beginners in which I treated 7 different challenges I am aware that new braiders face, like when your braid is refusing to lie on the scalp and is floating in the air, or when your braid is too loose, and some other challenges. 7 of them. 7 is just reoccurring. Maybe I am about to make a lot of money, but this is the style we came up with. We just did something to the rest of the hair so that we will have something going on. Thank you for watching.
God bless.
Enjoy your number 7.